Yo, what's up my charge people? Hope you're all staying charged, yo. What we're gonna do on this episode, we're gonna work on the D-blurbs. We're gonna retrofit some fog lights as from factory it came fitted with fogs, but I removed them. I'll show you why, and the fogs that we're gonna install. So yeah, let's get going and stay charged, yo. Jeez! As you can see, front mount intercooler fitted in, and yeah, this is where the fog light used to sit, and this is the original fog light, what won't fit there anymore. But yeah, it used to look something like that, had HIDs and stuff. And the lighting on these cars ain't really the best, although I've got the LEDs fitted in, but compared to this new technology, no. So we need more new lighting. We ordered them, let's show you them. It's a little kit. We're gonna need to remove the bumper and grill and stuff to make it a bit easier. Luckily the wiring is already there. Yeah, let's do it. Look at the size difference of that. So I did want to fit it there, but because the intercooler pipe is in the way, I think we might fit them up there. Comes with a bracket to go underneath, some fixings, but yeah, we need to remove the battery. Need to remove the bumper first. Car's filthy, we'll eventually give it a wash, and it's cold again, bloody hell. But yeah, let's do it. Luckily enough, I don't think we need to give it the shubber this time, because yeah, we should be able to gain access to the bolts from here. But let's get that grill off first, because yeah, it needs to come off. Oh my god, look at that filthy D turbo, mate. Absolutely disgusting. But yeah, let's get this grill off. Let's get the bumper off. Yeah, buddy. And the hockey stick. This is the one dirty thing about diesels. Look at that. Nasty, yo. Really need to figure out where it's leaking. So just lift up that pin, and I normally find it easier push from behind if you can get access. Ugh, bit tight with, yeah, my bodge mods. And then once you do manage to, there is the clip holding in the hockey stick, and that can come out too. These are very handy. Keep that safe. And then we go and break it off. Lovely. Anyways, push from behind, pop it out, pop that out, and let's hope that spring retainer thing goes back. Make it easier, take out the indicators. 1, and 2, as you do. Lovely. Now let's get these bolts on behind there. That's the brackets for the bumper. That's one bracket there, that's the other one there. yeah, there's like next to nothing space around here, if you can see, to get access to them bolts. So I'm gonna just go ahead, remove this headlight, which will hopefully gain me more access to the bumper bolts. The other one's easy to get to anyway. So yeah, 1, 2, 3. The amount of times I used to remove these lights and stuff, it's insane. Oh, starting to drizzle a bit. I hate the rain, I really do. Do this as quick as we can, as you do. Right, once you've been messing around, try and get the bolts off. It should come off like that, and then something stop you here. Okay. Nope, that's it. Needed to be done equally. One bumper. Lovely. Right, now that's off. Look at the state of that. Anyways, forget about that. Luckily enough, we have power here, so we should technically be able to just wire up the new fog lights straight to that. Let's give it a quick test, see how bright they are, see what you think. Hey presto, that works. We'll check the other side. Right, we gave them a little quick test. Looks like they're both working. Let's get them mounted onto the bumper, make the connections for the existing wiring, and let's hope we've done a good job. Let's do it. It's the D-blurbs. Anyway, the blurbs. So once you've got your brachitos in place, you want to just position it where you want in the bumper, and yeah, basically drill a hole. But I do like to make my life a bit difficult, don't I? Like, there's the bumper bracket support thing, and I've got to drill behind there and get the nutter. Oh my god, let's do it. Stop moaning about it. But yeah, I think it should look pretty good there, as long as the intercooler pipe fits in after, and we're right. Right, I might get cussed for this. I don't blame you, because I didn't measure it or anything. I just eyeballed it, I done it, and it is what it is. It didn't work the way I wanted it to work, but let's just hope it's going to be a bit brighter. Now what we're going to do, we're going to see if it actually fits back on there. If it does, then happy days. We'll wire it up, and fingers crossed it gives me that little extra lighting. If not, then maybe back to the drawing board and drill some more holes in the bumper. It is what it is, yo. Right, moment of truth. Hope if I take the bolts out of the bumper, round 2, fight! There. Okay, leave that there. going on here, mate? Well, would you look at that? The towing eye is in the bloody way. Yeah. And we need that towing eye there because the amount of times this car's broken down. But it looked alright there. Hot diggity. Right. I don't really want to remove the towing eye. I did really think about it and doing it, but yeah, no, I don't think that will be a good idea. The amount of times this is giving hassle. So we're going to try with plan A again. One there and there again. Let's go back to the drawing board. Right. We're going back with plan A, but we have a situation, but then we have a solution. Let me show you the situation and then the solution. Right, situation time. The nutter goes behind there, yeah? And there. Solution. Unbolt this. That should come off and I should be able to tighten up the nutter down there. And then all we got to do the wiring into there, get it on. Happy days. Right, once you connected up your male and female connectors, only thing to do, plug it in, test it. And did I say retrofit it? I mean ghetto fit it back together. Right, now is the moment of truth. Does it work or not? Let's find out. Lights on, fog lights are on. Oh, can see some bright lights, which is a good sign. Woohoo! They work. Kind of bright too. Lovely. Right, let's box it back up while it's working. Fingers crossed it stays working. And change the side light bulbs because we've got some nice LED ones. But yeah, man, they're brightening it up nicely. Jeez. Jeez. They're bright, yo. Right, so it's gone dark outside, so we can't do no more filming, but we're gonna still be fitting. Just want to show you, these are the new side light bulbs that I'm fitting. They're super bright, you know, for what they are. They're amazing compared to what you used to get. Like, look how thin they are and how they changed. Gonna fit them up because the old ones are all broken and crap and crusty, and let's go with the new technology. So it's night time. Let's show you quickly if we can. Basically, we're gonna do side lights, main lights, and fog lights. But yeah, happy days. If you like this video, like, share, comment, subscribe, and stay charged, yo. Jeez.